Got to turn back to the weather scene. Dave, before we get to you, we just received word that all state offices will be closed tomorrow. So the state has shut down for this big storm.
Yeah.
This is, we had talked earlier, possibly a record-breaking storm.
That's right, especially the 24-hour storm. That may be broken because the 24-hour record is 18.5 inches. And if you take any 24-hour period during this storm, we may go over that by sometime tomorrow. I think we're going to go over it.
I'm betting on that.
We've had quite a bit of snow across the southern part of Minnesota, across a large area of the upper Midwest, 2 inches or more across this entire area. We have much more than that in southern Minnesota. The southern half of the state, 10 inches or more, and out in eastern South Dakota, 20 inches plus. They've had about 24 to 25 inches around the Huron, South Dakota area. We could end up with 1.5 feet or maybe 2 feet here in the Twin Cities before it's all over. That's going to be quite some time. Right now out at the airport, this is the total so far. They have 12.2 inches, 29 today's early morning high. The current reading of 21 degrees, the low for the day. Currently outside, we still have some light snow falling. 21 degrees is the temp. The dew point now at 14, giving us a relative humidity of 74%. The east wind is still up there, 24, gusting to 33, creating blowing and drifting snow and low visibilities. 13 below is the wind chill right now, and that barometer is still falling, 29.71 inches. We still have quite a bit of snow around, and it's been around for quite some time, thanks to a low-pressure system that's been taking its time moving out of the southern Rockies. Right now, it's sitting over western Iowa. It still has enough warm air to produce thunderstorms across most of Iowa and now into southwestern Minnesota. But as it hits the cooler air, it's mostly snow over our state, Wisconsin, and also the Dakotas, and that's been in quite heavy amounts across southern Minnesota. This is what it looks like from the satellite's point of view, and what a pretty picture. The classic spiral, all the moisture coming up from the south and then spilling across the northern U.S., and that is the kind of curl that gives you some fairly heavy thunderstorms as well. Right down through the central part of the country, they've had severe thunderstorms, baseball-sized hail in parts of southeastern Nebraska earlier tonight. Now the heavier thunderstorms in the western part of Missouri, and all that moisture continues to flow northward. From about 6:30 tonight, we're going to take you back on the KSTP color radar, and this is what it looked like. And all that snow continued to move northward right across east central Minnesota. In the last couple of hours, it has tapered off. The snowfall has tapered down to about 1/2 inch an hour rather than an inch an hour. But now out to the southwest, a line of convection. And that means thunder snow is moving toward us. It has been mixed with a little bit of sleet and freezing rain as well. That will come in the next hour and a half or so. Quite a bit of snow is still out there. We've also been watching the wind on the KSTP Super Doppler radar, and this is what it's been showing us in the last hour or so, and winds have tapered down to about 20 to 35 miles per hour, but that's still strong enough to produce some rather windy conditions across the entire state and northwestern Minnesota. A lot of blowing and drifting. Still, winter storm warnings are out for all of Minnesota, northwestern Wisconsin, no travel advised. They have travelers' advisories for lesser amounts of snow down to the south. Forecast map for tomorrow shows that low moving right in our direction. And that means there'll still be an abundance of snow across Minnesota and northern Wisconsin, and a lot of rain down to the south. We still have a lot to go through. The forecast for the Twin Cities includes that winter storm warning tonight, heavy snow, high winds, blizzard-like conditions still out there. Total accumulations by morning of about 18 inches, 18 to 21 for lows. East winds at about 20 to 40 miles per hour. The outlook for tomorrow, winter storm warning continues. Looks like the entire southern two-thirds of the state will be shut down tomorrow. Heavy snow, high winds, an additional 6 inches is possible. With that, we'll have those northeast winds 20 to 35, creating drifts again tomorrow of about 2 to 4 feet. Highs during the day cold, 20 to 25. Snow ending, though, Monday night. Lows of about 15 to 19, and by Tuesday, partly cloudy skies and cooler, 18 to 22. And out on a limb, we still have the chance of more snow moving in Thursday and Friday. Boy, March is acting just like it should, with high temperatures only in the 30s. This is what March is supposed to be like, I think, Dennis.
I think, Dave, you've angered many people in the Twin Cities.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I know it. The grass looked good for a while.
Well, look for that record, which is 18, 19 inches?
18 and a half.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
International news tonight, an earthquake near Santiago, Chile has...
All in the night, the party's over, and tomorrow starts the same old thing again. What a crazy, crazy party. Never seen so many people laughing, dancing. Look at you, you're having fun. But look at me, I'm almost crying, but that don't keep her love from dying. Misery calls for me, the party's over.